Wow!
We're here! I'm first! No, me! My room will be better than yours! I'm not listening to you! Easy targets! You ruin everything! No, you do! Excuse me, can I help you? Oh yeah, I want a really cool, edgy room. Of course, we'll get that ready for you. I want a cute, sweet room. You got it, but pay first. We can pay, but where are our wallets? Oh no, our purses got stolen. What do we do? Goodbye. This is the end! So much for our vacation! Wait! I have an idea! We can build a secret room! Wow! That's a good idea! But the room isn't! Don't touch my room! I'll build my own! I'll build my room out of bamboo! But this isn't enough. I need more. I could use some bamboo too. Thanks, sis. Stop! I think I need more bamboo. Mary? Don't bother me. Searching for bamboo was so tiring. That's weird. Do you know where my bamboo went? Tell me in the comments. How do I connect these? I know. Shoelaces. Now I have a frame. Wow, that's a great idea. Let's see what I have. Not working. No. This drawstring is perfect. I did it! What can I make walls out of? Oof, that's a cute bar! I like that straw divider! I know! Hi, what are you having? Hi, handsome! Oh, I don't want a drink! I want to take all this straw! Please! For you? Anything! I'm gonna go! Alright, thanks! I think she likes me! It's so hot! Oh, I need walls too! I'm taking this!
What?
Hey.
But I just put it up!
Oh.
Thanks, cutie! I'm a cutie! My walls will be awesome! Way better than hers! I just have to put them up like this! Done! Our rooms are identical? No way! My room has to be different! Oh yeah! Pink? Seriously? What was that? Maybe I just imagined it! Phew! He didn't notice! What's this? Flags? Where'd you get them? You want some? No way! I'll make my own. These are perfect. Wow, cute. The floor is too hard to sleep on. I think I can find something useful in my suitcase. A blanket. And my favorite pillows. That's better. Ha! I have pillows too. And a blanket. The star is almost done. What's she doing? I just have to paint it. What do you think? My fire is better than your star. I'll put flowers on the roof. They smell so nice. I'll make curtains out of them too. I'll make curtains out of chains. Hi!
Huh?
Leave me alone! These shells are beautiful! They'll make a great garland! I'll attach it to a coconut and use it as a wind chime. I had a nightmare! A feather? An old bracelet? I made a dream catcher! It's so tiny! I need a bigger one! No more nightmares! I love bubbles! It's so much fun!
Huh?
This is so annoying! My new ring is the perfect way to get rid of these bubbles! Claire's asleep! She'll love this mustache! Good morning! Time for a walk! Wow! A shell! Wow! A coconut! I can make a candle holder out of this. Just pour in some sand. Hi! What do you want? Buzz off! Wrong person! Hi! Hi! I just made a candle holder! You look interesting! A mustache? Thanks, Mary!
Sorry.
You're still beautiful! Thank you! What? Fine! I'll make a candle holder out of this coconut! I'll just wrap it in twine! My sign is done! The Secret Room Hotel! The bad Secret Room Hotel! My hotel is better! Oh, guests! Thanks! This is our favorite hotel! Your time is up! Next! Ready to pay? Of course! That was a great idea!